In this video, I will show you how to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to youtube.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon up here, and on this menu you want to come and click onto YouTube Studio. Now once you're in your studio, if you come over to the left hand side to this menu, and from here what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you see Audio Library. Give that a click, and this way you can come to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file. So what you can do is preview any of the tracks here by clicking the play button on the left hand side. You can also filter by mood and genre and things like that as well. And to download any of these, just come to the right hand side of the song that you want to download and click the download button. As you can see, that's going to download this onto your computer, and that is how to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.